After decades of connecting Manipur with the rest of the country, Air India officially concluded its operations at Imphal International Airport today, closing an important chapter in the aviation history of the Northeast. The airline, once seen as a symbol of national pride, played a pivotal role in linking Imphal to major cities across India, contributing to region's socio-economic growth and providing a lifeline of connectivity for generations of travelers from Manipur. Air India's iconic red and white aircraft, courteous crew, and dependable service became familiar sights at Imphal International Airport over the years. For many locals, especially during the 1980s and 1990s, traveling by Air India was often associated with special occasions such as holidays, college admissions, or urgent family matters. Scenes of long queues for tickets, packed terminals during festive seasons, and the eager anticipation of boarding calls remain etched in the memories of many Manipuris. While today marked the conclusion of Air India's regular flights from Imphal, Tata Group will continue its operations at the airport through Air India Express, the airline's wholly owned low-cost subsidiary. Airport authorities clarified that the decision to withdraw Air India's services was part of a long-standing pre-planned strategy by the airline's management and not connected to any recent incidents or developments. Sources from Imphal International Airport stated that Air India's contribution to Manipur's connectivity and development has been immense. Its absence will be felt by many, but the legacy it leaves behind will remain a proud part of Imphal's aviation history. As the last Air India flight departed, it carried with it not just passengers, but also decades of memories and milestones, marking the end of an era for Manipur's skies.